cheap keychains that actually look cool. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out some of super affordable and fun keychains. These may be small accessories, but they can add a lot of personality to your keys, backpack, or even your desk setup. Let's take a look at them. As you can see, these are several different designs. Here we have cartoon style case and a mini camera design and some cute collectible characters. The first thing I notice is that they are lightweight and easy to carry. They don't add much weight to your case, which is always a good thing. The material feels soft and durable enough for everyone use. The colors are right, and the designs stand out nicely. My favorite one is probably with the mini camera kitchen. The colors are bright and the designs stand out nicely. These keychains are also great for backpack, handbags, a travel bag, and even as small gifts for friends or family. Now the big question, are they worth buying? For the price, I think they are fun little accessories if you like collecting cute items or customizing your everyday carry. These are definitely worth checking out. They are not expensive, but they add a bit of style and personality to your setup. Let me know in the comments which design you liked the most. If you enjoyed the review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more budgets, gadgets, and accessories review. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.